Ito na yung header for GS13 BMW. Ayan, quick unboxing lang. Ayan, kinalas ko na sa box kasi laki ng box niya and balot na balot with bubble wrap and this quite protective paper na parang styro. So, ayan siya. Order ng client yan. So, short unboxing lang bago ko ipa-ship sa owner, and also para makita natin ni bossing order niya. So ayan, again it's a handmade titanium, made to order, like this. Ginawa siya for 10 to 15 days na factory abroad syempre. So ito yung sa flapper niya. Yan. Yan, yan sa loob. So may flapper yan. Also it comes with free cable rin. Just in case you need this cable. There's a free. It's an optional lang naman. So again, this is for BMW GS13. Ay mga inaabangan yung mga boss. Ayan. Handmade titanium. Ayan, ganyan kaganda. Siyempre lightweight since it's titanium. Sobrang gana ito compared sa stock na stainless. Mufflers available din for 1.3. Tingnan nyo lang ako for more details and inquiries. So ayan na yun. Ready for shipment to sa owner. Also tomorrow or today we can make it to LBC today. Ayan, gusto nyo umorder, PM lang kayo. And I'm always online naman, either YouTube, FB page. So yun lang, mura lang yan mga bossing ha. All same lang nung pang GS12. Wala namang masyado na bago, bending lang, and yung sa sensor niya dito na nakalagay. Yan. Yan. Okay, saka yan. Ganda oh. Mura pa.